Retirement isn't the end of the story. It's a brand new chapter. But for many, it can feel like a silent drift away from the ones we love most. What if the golden years could be the strongest bond-building years of all? Let's explore how to turn retirement into a bridge, connecting generations, hearts, and time. After decades of work and routine, retirement brings time, but how we use it matters. Quality moments with family don't need grand gestures. They need presence. Start with simple rituals: Sunday dinners, evening walks, storytelling sessions. The goal is to be there, not impress. You carry a treasure trove of life experiences. Don't let them fade. Share them. Grandkids love stories. Teens need advice. Adult children crave connection. Host a story night or document a family video journal. Let your wisdom echo beyond your years. Technology bridges gaps, especially when geography separates us. Learn to video call, text, share pictures, be part of daily life, even from afar. Remember, it's not about mastering devices. It's about mastering presence. Traditions hold families together, but new traditions keep them growing. Revive old ones like baking grandma's cake, then create fresh ones. Monthly book club, DIY projects, virtual game nights. These shared experiences become the glue between generations. In the end, the greatest gift you can offer your family isn't advice, money, or even time. It's your presence. Stay curious. Be involved. Retire from work, not from love. Because in these moments, family becomes legacy. You've earned this time. Now use it to strengthen what matters most. Reconnect, rebuild. Remember, you're the heart of the family. If this inspired you, share it with someone starting their retirement journey. Because love, after all, only grows stronger when it's shared.